Hello friends, hope you're well, and today I have a very unique idea for your garden is fairy garden and fairy houses. So fairy garden and fairy houses are a delightful way to bring a touch of magic to any outdoor space. These miniature worlds are designed to attract fairies and create a sense of wonder and enchantment. There are endless possibilities for fairy garden and fairy house designs make them a fun and creative project for people of all the ages. Fairy garden ideas can range from simple to elaborate. The key is to create a space that feels like a natural habitat for fairies. A fairy garden can be created in a container or in a small section of your yard. You can use natural materials such as rocks, wood, and plants to create a miniature landscape. Adding small accessories such as tiny furniture, bird houses, and lanterns can make the garden feel even more magical. To attract fairies, you can add elements like water features, small bridges, or hidden paths. Fairy houses are an essential element of any fairy garden. These tiny houses are designed to be perfect dwelling place for fairies. They can be made from a variety of materials including wood, stones, and even recycled material. Some popular fairy houses ideas include mushroom houses, tree houses, and cottages. The key to make the house feel like a natural part of the garden, adding small details like windows, doors, and even tiny chimneys can make the house feel more realistic. When creating a fairy garden or a fairy house, it's important to remember that fairies are creatures of nature. They are attracted to the beauty of the nature world and thrive in environments that feel peaceful and harmonious. By incorporating natural materials and creating a space that feels like a natural habitat, you can create a magical world that is sure to attract fairies. In conclusion, fairy gardens and fairy houses are a fun and creative way to bring a touch of magic to any outdoor space with endless possibilities for design. These miniature worlds allow you to let your imagination run wild. Whether you are looking for a simple project or elaborate design, creating a fairy garden or fairy house is a great way to tap into your creativity and connect with the natural world. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like it. Subscribe our channel and hit